It's Hannah and Lou with WTI. If you're looking for a simple, high reward dog treat, I have to show you these. These are by Dog Chit and they are dehydrated duck feet. I got these for our Boston Terrier Lou, and they have quickly become one of his favorite snacks for me to grab out of our closet. The main reason I reached for these is the ingredient list. Here it is, duck feet. That's it, one simple ingredient. As a dog owner, I love that level of simplicity. I don't have to worry about extra additives or fillers. It's just a straightforward, one single protein treat for our little Lou. Another thing I love about these is they last longer than a traditional dog biscuit. It takes Lou a couple hours, but it's fully consumable, and within a couple hours, it is completely gone, which saves our floor from looking like a bone graveyard. I think it's neat that these are duck. It's a nice switch up of things for our dog Lou. His dog food is usually chicken or beef, so this is kind of nice. They are nice and crunchy. They're not oily or greasy. So if you're looking for a premium one ingredient dog snack for your little pup that's simple and mess free, I highly recommend these. But that's just my point of view.